Okay, welcome back. So today's video, we're going to be talking about something that can completely transform your brand, telling your story authentically. As entrepreneurs, we all have a story. And when you share it authentically, you create a deeper connection with your audience. People don't just want to buy from you, they want to connect with you on a personal level. As entrepreneurs, we all have a story. And when you share it authentically, you create a deeper connection with your audience. People don't just want to buy from you, they want to connect with you on a personal level. So, why does storytelling even matter for your brand? So, humans are wired for stories. From childhood, we've been taught and inspired through stories. They engage us emotionally, make information memorable, and help us relate to others. Storytelling is one of the most powerful tools you have in building a personal connection with your audience. And when you tell your authentic story, you build trust. You show your audience the real you, your values, your struggles, your wins. This makes your brand feel human and relatable, which is why storytelling is so vital to creating lasting connections. Now let's talk about the key to great storytelling, authenticity. Authenticity is about being true to yourself. It's about showing up exactly as you are, without the need to put on a mask or pretend to be someone you're not. When you're authentic, you attract the right people who resonate with your message and your mission. In short, be you. Just be yourself. Don't try to be anyone else. Everyone else is already taken. Okay? When you show up as your true self, you build trust. People can tell when something feels forced or fake. But when you embrace authenticity, your audience connects with you because they know you're being real, and real people are who they want to do business with. Authenticity is what makes you stand out in a crowded market. There is only one you. Your story is unique. And when you embrace that, you make your brand truly special. So don't hide. Let your true self shine through. Now let's talk about how to tell your story. Start with your why. Why did you start your business? What motivated you? When people understand your purpose, they connect with your mission. Share your journey, the challenges you've faced, the lessons you've learned, and the milestones you've achieved. The ups and downs of your journey will make your audience feel like they're part of your story, not just a customer. Don't be afraid to show your vulnerabilities. Perfection isn't relatable. Real people make mistakes, face obstacles, and learn from their experiences. When you show your human side, you allow people to see the authentic you, and that creates a true connection. Tie your story with your values. What do you stand for? What principles guide your business? When you weave your values into your story, you create a deeper connection emotionally with your audience. Story isn't just your about page or a single post. It should be woven into everything that you do, from your social media posts to your email marketing. Your story should your story should be present and consistent across all touch points. Whether you're creating content for social media, blogs, or videos, use your story to show the why behind what you're sharing. People are more likely to engage with your content when it's personal and relatable. Frame your message through the lens of your story, and it will feel more authentic and real. When you share your authentic story, you're not just connecting with individuals, you're building a community. People who share similar values or experiences will naturally be drawn to you. They'll feel like they're part of something bigger than just a transaction. They're part of your journey. Your audience wants to engage with you. Encourage them to share their stories too. When you create a space for mutual connection, you deepen your relationship with your community and turn them into loyal supporters. You consistently show up as your authentic self, your brand becomes a trusted voice in your industry. People don't just buy your products, they buy into people behind them. Authenticity builds loyalty, and loyalty builds sustainable success. Customers who connect with your story are more likely to become long-term supporters. They're not just purchasing from you, they're investing in your journey. That's the power of authentic storytelling. Story is your superpower. It's what makes your brand stand out, builds trust with your audience, and creates lasting connections. Don't be afraid to show up as your true self, because that's the real power of storytelling. I encourage you to embrace your story, be vulnerable, be real, and share your journey with the world. The more authentic you are, the stronger your brand will be. I'd love to hear your story. Start writing your story. If you haven't done this yet, start writing your story and tell why you started your business and what drives you every day. You can do this to pen to paper on a notebook or somewhere electronically. I use GoodNotes inside of my phone or my iPad. Start documenting your journey every day. If you have a journal, start writing about your daily life and business. One day you might want to write a book. You start documenting now the things that are happening in your business, whether you start, fail, and you keep going and show the tenacity that you have and the perseverance to push through all of those hills and valleys that you're going through in your business. So tell your story, connect authentically, and build your brand. In the next video. If you want to continue learning and growing together, watch this video that's coming up next, and I will see you over there.